If a sharp electric pain shoots down your leg to your toes, that exact moment you sneeze or cough, you have an active disc herniation. Stop doing heavy seated forward stretches to stretch it out. When you bend forward, you are physically squeezing the front of your spinal disc, which hydraulically forces the ruptured disc material deeper into your spinal canal, crushing your sciatic nerve even harder. Keep your spine completely neutral and look slightly upward when you feel a sneeze coming in your way.